I need to connect the 24 volt block here to each one of these home switches. They also need a 0 volt connection, which are down here. Now, how am I going to do that? So I want to use what we call an insertion bridge. They're not in here. I'm going to show you how they go in just a second. All right, so this is the insertion bridge right down here, and it's a plastic covered metal bar with these metal fingers sticking out, and they come 10 or 80 long, and you cut them down to size with your side cutters. Now this is a set of terminal blocks I've just got pulled out here, and if you'll notice on this side there's a groove right here up under this lip right there that will catch the insertion bridge. So an insertion bridge, let me see if I can do this one-handed, well maybe two-handed. So the insertion, the metal tab goes in the hole with the screw, and the bridge snaps up into that groove right up here. All right, so you can see how that metal tab goes in the hole there. Let me put this one together and show you. Okay, so I've put this insertion bridge in and tightened the 4 screws. So now all of these screws get fed the same voltage with one connection. This particular terminal block goes all the way through each level. So technically all 4 of these screws and all 4 of these screws now have 24 volts or 5 volts or whatever voltage I put into at least one of these screws over here.